Hello, welcome to our channel, World Heritage History. This is the Kasbah of Algiers, a citadel of stone and story where centuries fold into narrow streets and weathered facades. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1992, the Kasbah holds an architectural memory that demands quiet attention and careful preservation. Locally called Al-Kaaba, the citadel, and Al-Djazayar, the islets, the names themselves carry the sea and the fortress in a single breath. Beneath its winding lanes lie older beginnings. Some scholars point to Neolithic occupation, echoes of human life before recorded history. By the late 6th century BCE, a Phoenician settlement called Ikosim stood here, a trading node on the Mediterranean's restless edge. Ikosim became the Roman Icosium in 40 CE, a city whose walls would later echo the Ottoman fortifications we see in silhouette today. Under Roman rule, Icosium prospered as a provincial town, its streets filled with merchants, craftsmen, and the constant hum of Mediterranean trade. That ancient chapter dimmed after a catastrophic sack in 371 or 372, a rupture in the urban story. The city never fully revived in its Roman form, but its stones remained, foundations for future builders and future lives. Centuries later, in 960, a new Medina rose from those ruins when Bologhine Ibn Jari founded El Dajer Beni Mejkhana. This new city embraced the coastline. Its name, the islets, recalled the small islands facing the busy port and the sea beyond. Walled against threat, El Dajer grew as a Berber trade city, its defences framing markets of honey, butter and ripe figs. In 1080, the Almoravids asserted control and shaped the city's spiritual life, commissioning monumental works like the Great Mosque. Pilgrims and scholars filled the mosque's courtyards, and the Kasbah's alleys became channels of learning, prayer and exchange. In 1151, the Almohads took control, and yet the Medina endured as a vassal to shifting powers through the 14th century. Trade remained the lifeblood of the Kasbah. Honey and butter crossed stalls. Figs were weighed and bartered beneath wooden awnings. Visitors across centuries recorded ancient remains here, travelers' notes preserving fragments of memory when stones alone could not speak. Maps from different eras layer upon one another, revealing the Kasbah as a palimpsest of borders, empires and daily life. Later eras left stronger imprints still. Ottoman craftsmen and administrators adapted the city, adding houses, fortifications and civic rhythm. Scholars note the ancient Roman walls likely mirrored the Ottoman city plan, a continuity of defense across millennia. Within the Kasbah, each house holds a story. Families, craftsmen and neighborhood ties quietly preserving traditions under changing flags. Narrow stairways and sunlit terraces stitch levels of the Medina together, where daily life unfolds amid centuries of stonework. Over time, the Kasbah absorbed influences while remaining unmistakably itself, an urban memory shaped by both continuity and change. Even as empires shifted, the Kasbah stood, a sediment of lives, each era writing upon the stones of those who came before. By the 20th century, the Kasbah became a symbol of identity and resilience, its lanes bearing witness to lives lived in public view. In 1992, UNESCO inscribed the Kasbah as World Heritage, recognizing its universal value and fragile beauty. Archival photographs and slow cinematic pans help us read layers of time, each image a doorway into an era now distant but present. Preservation is not merely conservation of stone, but honoring the living community that keeps the Kasbah breathing and meaningful. Today, the Kasbah invites careful witnessing to read its maps, its dates, its mosques and markets, and to listen to its long silence. From Phoenician Ikosim to Roman Icosium, from medieval El Dajer to the Ottoman overlays, the Kasbah endures as a living archive. Thank you for watching World Heritage History. If you enjoyed this journey into the past, please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more stories from the world's greatest heritage sites.